When I take training programs, I ask always one question to my students. That is, how is your health? Are you fit? Everybody says that we are fit, madam, we are healthy. Then my next question will be, are you fit or your parents are fit? Who is more healthier? For this question, energetically and happily, sincerely, honestly, they'll say that my parents are much healthier than me. Then my next question would be, you are healthy or your grandparents are healthy? For this question also unanimously everybody will give us the same answer. That is, my grandparents are healthier than me. This is the health of our students. This is the health of our youth. So I want to talk today about physical fitness. If physically you are fit, you can do a lot. Please take care of your physical fitness. If you want to be physically fit, please take care of two things. Focus on two areas. So these two areas, think it that these are the mantras. These are the powerful mantras for your physical fitness. The first thing is, take care of your food habits. Your food habits. How is your food habits? What kind of food you are eating it? And what to eat and what not to eat. Please focus on these areas. Many people are eating a lot because we have a lot of money as well as freedom. Anything we can put it inside of our belly, and whatever the belly is giving a trouble and problems, we are least bothered. It is in a sympathetical position, so we are least bothered. So please, food habits, take care. We have enough money, though that's the reason we are eating anything and we are putting inside of the belly. Like for example, we eat very actively and very enthusiastically, and we enjoy pizza, burger and pani puri, mutton, chicken and as well as alcohol, what not, all nonsense we are putting inside of our belly. So please don't do that. And food habits, when it comes to food habits, I would like to say one thing. An Englishman said that, I don't want to keep my belly for the graveyard of dead animals. Let me repeat, I don't want to make my belly graveyard of dead animals. I think you understand. So please avoid non-veg. We have a lot of items to eat. There are many items to eat. You can enjoy all the tasty of items, but don't kill the animals, don't eat non-veg. Avoid non-veg, then you will have a powerful concentration and you will be very physically fit, you will not have any health problems. Avoid it. And there is a saying that morning breakfast should be like a king's breakfast. And lunch should be like a queen's, and dinner should be like a beggar's. Are we following it? Absolutely we are following, but in a reverse way. Morning you don't have time to eat because mom prepared everything, wife prepared everything, but we don't eat, we don't have that much of time, we don't give preference. Sometimes we'll go even for fasting also. And when it comes to lunch also, very less we eat because in work environment we are very much busy. And when it comes to the dinner, we'll have a leisure of time. Then you will have a king's dinner, where it should be like a beggar's dinner. We are having a reverse way, and that too at what time? Probably 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock people are eating it immediately. Or what do? You'll go to the bed and you'll sleep. This is a very wrong way. You should complete your dinner by 7 to 7:30 night. 7 to 7:30 you have to complete and have a little, and after that go for walking. So, and breakfast also, morning 7 to 7:30 you should complete your breakfast. Strong breakfast you can have, a complete breakfast, full breakfast you can have. Then after that you can have even a milk or juice or something else. It should be tight. When you go to the work environment, when you go to your college, school or work environment, anywhere wherever you go, you feel very fit and energetic because of strong breakfast. So have this breakfast. And what kind of food habits people are having? I just compare many people. Their body is made with pizza and burger, and their blood is just like pani puri, and their nerves are noodles, Maggi noodles. So this is the body. But what Swami Vivekananda said about the body, I want 200 youth. I want 200 youth whose body is made with iron and whose nerves are made with steel. I want 200 youth. I'll change the entire world. This is what said by Swami Vivekananda. But what we are doing? If you are not fit, if you are not taking care of your age, youth, in future you will have lot of problems. You are seeing nowadays health problems are faced by many people. In a small age, around 30, 35 or below 30 also people are getting heart attack and brain nervous, backbone problem, lot of problems you are facing because of all these things only. So have a strong food. What kind of food you should have? Always homemade food you can have. Include always fruits, vegetables, milk and badam also you can take. A healthy food if you take, you will be very healthy. So this is about the food habits, the first tip. And the second tip is take care of your another one, that is exercises to your body. Keep fit to your body. Give some exercises. What kind of exercises I can give? Give any kind of exercise your wish. You can go for walking, jogging, aerobics, yoga, cycling, swimming, anything you can do, but morning, early morning, half an hour give some exercises to your body so that you should get sweats. If you don't get sweats, don't take bath. Decide every day. And it does not mean that go to your environment without taking bath, no. So please, morning you have to get the sweats. If you do this, you will be very physically fit, you will not have any problems at all. So physical fitness is important. Morning you can, and after having dinner also, always remember, go for at least 15 to 20 minutes or half an hour walking. After having dinner, dinner completed 7 to 7:30, and after 15 or 20 minutes you can go for dinner, walking. Immediately no. After 15-20 minutes you can go for walking, and if you don't have time, you are a housewife, you are busy with your schedule, I cannot go for walking, take steps in your home or outside of your home, in your garden or anywhere. Take steps of around 500 steps, count it and take steps, and then go for sleep. So this would give you a good health. Two things please take care, that is your food habits and exercises. If these two are there, you will be fit. There is an old saying, health is wealth. It is true. Though it is old, it is a golden word, golden proverb. So please take care. You can live only in one area, that is your body. If you are fit, you can do everything. And if you want to take care of your career, if you want to take care of your family, everything it is interlinked with your health only. So take care of your health, be healthy, be happy. I hope you are following my lectures, and do subscribe to my channel. Be fit. I'll be sharing more knowledge with you all. Thank you all for watching this video. Wish you all a good luck. Take care.